To use a Visa gift card online, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have the gift card and its corresponding information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is usually a 3-digit number located on the back of the card. Next, go to the website where you want to make a purchase and select the items you wish to buy. Proceed to the checkout page and enter your shipping and billing information. When it comes to the payment method, select credit or debit card, as the Visa gift card is treated like a regular credit card. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. Ensure that the name and address you enter match the information associated with the gift card. If you are not sure what name is associated with the card, you can contact the issuer for assistance. After you have entered the gift card information, click the Submit or Pay button to complete the transaction. If the gift card has sufficient funds, the transaction should be successful. However, if the gift card does not have enough funds to cover the purchase, you may be able to use it in combination with another payment method. Depending on the website's policies, it is essential to keep track of your gift card balance and to use it before it expires. You can check the balance by visiting the issuer's website or by calling the customer service number provided on the back of the card. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and do not share it with anyone. When shopping online with your Visa gift card, make sure to only use it on secure websites that have HTTPS in the URL and a lock icon in the address bar. This will help protect your gift card information from being stolen. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with your gift card, such as monthly maintenance fees or foreign transaction fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Visa gift card online to make purchases from your favorite websites. Always remember to keep your gift card information secure and to use it responsibly.